Hi, you're watching Saskatchewan Travelers on www.sasnews.net. Today we're off to Silver Lake Regional Park, just 15 minutes north of Maidstone, Saskatchewan, in between North Battleford and Lloydminster. In March 1961, the Kinsman Club voted unanimously in favor of developing Silver Lake as a recreational facility. The Standard Hill Baseball Club joined the endeavor by building a backstop that spring. Land was rented and swim area was started immediately. By October 1963, Silver Lake had a swimming area, picnic area, playground, sports grounds, and concessions. The park consists of 260 acres of land with a lake known as Silver Lake. Extensive work has been completed on the beach and swim area to make it fun and enjoyable. Within the park, you will find a very well-maintained and challenging 9-hole grass green golf course. During 1983, irrigation was added to the golf course. Grass greens were opened in 1986. The land was purchased on May 1st, 1964, and they became a regional park. In 1966, living quarters, public washrooms, and concessions were built. In 1969, land was purchased to develop 5 serviced campsites. The clubhouse and living quarters were built in 1971. And in 1973, the dike was created, forming a controlled swimming area. Then in 1976, a fastball diamond was started, and in 1977, the washrooms, showers, and laundry were built. A walking trail with a bird sanctuary tower known as the Big Gully Creek Trail, a variety of campsites to accommodate all your needs. Tenting is also welcome. Full sun or shaded sites are available for campers. Modern and updated bathrooms with shower facilities are located in the north, and then central washrooms in the south ends of the campground. Laundry facilities are also available. Picnic sites with fire pits are available for day outings and class trips. Firewood is also available. Thanks for watching Saskatchewan Travelers as we move across the province in our RV, searching for the most interesting spots in the province to visit. Check out our episodes on demand on www.sasnews.net, as well as you can head on over to our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/SaskatTravelers, or you can look us up on YouTube and subscribe to our channel there. You can also find all of the trail maps, especially from the Big Gully Creek Trail, on www.alltrails.com. Thanks for watching. You're watching Saska Travelers.